my name is Jane Talbot, and yesterday I started learning about black holes, and that opened up 3 lines of inquiry for me. One is, what is a black hole? 2 is, what is an event horizon? And 3 is, what is a singularity? So today is about exploring the anatomy of a black hole. So what is a black hole? A black hole is a region where matter collapses to an infinite density. So if you think about dying stars, when a star can't fuel itself anymore, it kind of loses its balance. And up until that point, it's a kind of tug of war between inward pulling in forces and external pushing out forces. So once the fuel is gone, then its drive is to pull itself inwards. Now, if it's a small star, like a white dwarf, it'll probably settle down to die quite quietly. If it's a big star, however, once it's unable to fuel itself and it starts to draw itself inwards, it is likely to move down to this point of infinite density, a singularity. At this point, we've got a black hole in the making. So the singularity is the point at which matter gets crushed to an infinite density. So you can feel it probably quite uncomfortable to get to that point. There's infinite gravitational pull, and time-space has infinite curvature. In fact, time-space ceases to mean what we take it to be at that point. But to get to the point of singularity, you might have had to cross, well, you will have had to have crossed the event horizon. And the event horizon is literally the point of no return. After the event horizon, no light can escape. So if someone were watching you fall into a black hole, it would appear that you were kind of frozen on this screen, and then you would gradually fade and cease to be visible in the visible universe. So then you keep going and you get then towards the singularity, and up until this point it might have felt quite comfortable falling into a big black hole, but at this point something unusual happens. And I love the word that the cosmologists have invented for this. It's called spaghettification. It's due to these incredible gravitational forces that you kind of get pulled out into spaghetti. So as a result of today's exploration, have any other lines of inquiry come up for me? Yeah. What are my options if I get close to the singularity? Is there any chance of me escaping? Well, I think the cosmologists would agree that some of what happens inside a black hole is hypothetical because we can't see beyond the event horizon. But I've watched enough of Star Trek to have heard of these things called wormholes, and I wondered if a wormhole would be a good option for me. So tomorrow I'm going to find out a little bit more about wormholes, what they are, and whether they're going to help me escape anywhere. Bye!